Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Jeff Riddle with the Natural Health Advisory Institute, and today we're going to talk about energy because it's such a vague term. What is energy? If you could hold energy in your hand, what would it look like? Well, this is what it looks like. This is one molecule of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. You've probably heard of it. The metabolism of your entire body is largely dedicated to the manufacture of this single molecule. If you're healthy, you produce 1 sextillion of these every single day. So what is this thing and how does it carry energy? Well, let's take a look. Don't worry, this is very, very simple. Here's the molecule we were just looking at, adenosine triphosphate. The portion with the rings is adenosine, and this is a triphosphate group. The energy that's going to be released from this molecule is stored in this bond right here. This phosphorus does not like to be attached to this oxygen because it makes the molecule unstable. So upon the addition of water, this bond is going to break. So after water has been added to this molecule, this phosphate group detaches from the rest of the phosphate groups, releasing 7.3 calories of heat. If you've ever wondered what a calorie is, now you know. You can basically think of this as heat that's released from the molecule. Here's a very simple example of ATP in action. Right now, we're looking at the cell membrane, which is basically the skin of each one of your cells, which separates the inside of the cell from the outside of the cell. You can think of this outside space as the bloodstream. Right now, we're trying to move this sodium ion from the outside of the cell to the inside of the cell. Sodium is salt. So ATP is going to bond to this portion of the pump. And once water is added and that bond on ATP is broken, the heat that's released is going to cause a change in the molecular structure of this pump, which causes it to open. Once it is open, the sodium from the outside of the cell can move through the pump onto the inside of the cell. Check in for our next lesson on energy and make sure to check the description below this video for plenty of articles on how you could produce more ATP. Thank you for watching. I'm Jeff Riddle with the Natural Health Advisory Institute.